In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Buy X Get X free discount in Shopify without an app. Open your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser, then look to the left sidebar and click Discounts. This opens the Discounts page, where you can see any discounts already created, or a blank page if you have not made any yet. Now go to the top right and click Create Discount. Shopify will show different discount types here. Choose Buy X, Get Y. Under Method, select Automatic Discount. This makes the offer apply by itself at checkout, without a code. In the title field, click in and type Buy 2, Get 1 freebies. This title is the name customers will see when the discount is applied during checkout, so this is the label attached to the promotion. Move down to the Customer Buys section. Select minimum quantity of items, then set the quantity to 2. This tells Shopify the customer must add 2 qualifying items before the offer can trigger. In the Any Items From area, click Browse. A product list will open. Select the product you want to use, then click Add to confirm that selection. Next, go to the Customer Get section. Set the quantity to 1. In the Any Items From field, click Browse again. Choose the same product as before, Classic Cotton T-shirt. Then click Add. After that, under Add a Discounted Value, select Free. That sets the extra item to a full discount instead of a partial one. Now find the usage settings. Check. Set the maximum number of uses per order, then enter 1. This keeps the discount from applying multiple times within the same order. In customer eligibility, leave the setting on all customers so the discount is available to everyone by default. Scroll down past combinations and active dates. The default settings here are already suitable for a standard promotion, which means the discount starts right away and does not have an end date unless you change it. Go back to the top right and click Save Discount. Shopify will save the promotion and show a confirmation banner along with the discount summary page. At this point, the automatic discount is active. On the discounts page, you will now see the offer listed, and when a customer adds 3 classic cotton t-shirts to their cart, the cheapest one is discounted to $0 at checkout, with no discount code needed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.